Resetting ink levels on your Epson printer.
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk you through a very helpful process, specifically on how to reset the ink levels on your Epson printer. This will help your printer recognize when you have a full ink cartridge.
Why would you need to reset ink levels?
Before jumping to the how, let's talk about the why. There may be times when your Epson printer does not recognize that a new ink cartridge is full. This is usually because the printer's ink level monitoring system is still reading the old ink levels. Resetting these levels can often solve the issue and get your printer up and running again.
Resetting the ink levels.
Here's a step-by-step guide to help you reset the ink levels on your Epson printer. 1. Turn off the printer. The first step is to turn off your Epson printer and unplug it from the power source. 2. Press and hold the Stop button. After that, press and hold the Stop or the Reset button on your printer. 3. Plug back the printer. While holding the Stop or Reset button, plug your printer back into the power source. 4. Turn on the printer. Now turn on the printer while still holding the Stop or Reset button. 5. Release the Stop button. After the printer is on, release the Stop button. 6. Wait for the printer to recognize the full ink levels. Now the printer should start resetting its internal ink counters and should recognize the ink cartridges as full.
If the problem persists.
Sometimes, resetting the ink levels might not solve the issue. In this case, you may need to update the printer's firmware or consider replacing the cartridge. This could be an issue of faulty ink cartridges, or your printer might need maintenance. In conclusion, resetting the ink levels on your Epson printer is a fairly simple process that can help your printer recognize a full ink cartridge. If the problem persists after resetting, consider exploring other solutions such as updating the printer's firmware or replacing the ink cartridge. We hope this guide has been helpful to you. Keep printing and stay creative.